All right, VIP's getting jazzy in the kitchen, making some beautiful, wonderful fish here. I got baked tilapia, put it right in a beautiful aluminum foil pocket here. So I'm just gonna put it here. And look what I have. I have some brown rice with wild rice and a little bit of quinoa, some star fruit. So we're gonna take this and give it a go. Open it up a little bit here. There we go. Hi there, everybody. Looks delicious, right? Let's get this over here. It's hot. Ay, ooh, hot. Let's see how this came out. I just like how simple this is. You just get a little, I put a touch of this avocado oil, which is healthy for you. And let's see if the steam just rises out. Woo! Baked fish looks delicious with some salt-free seasoning. It bakes itself. This hot pocket of the aluminum foil just steams the fish. And now I'm going to share with you the vegetables that I made. So let's get that here. Hot. So this is so simple. I literally just put some tilapia on aluminum foil with some lemon, avocado oil. These are the veggies. Oh my goodness, piping hot. Woo. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness. Yes. We've got some lemon. We have zucchini. We have thyme. Looks so healthy, right? And easy to cook. Look at that. This is gonna be a feast. So put that aluminum foil, wrap it up, get some fish. Okay, you can pair it with some portion-controlled, slow-burning complex carb. I'm gonna dig in and win. Love you guys. Make it a VIP day. Woo! I really feel like a chef. I feel fancy, okay? Pinky up. Woo! Love you guys.